I'm Thomas Smith. I'm a pro travel photographer, and today let's take a look at my Tenba camera bag. So I love this because it's a great bag for traveling with your gear, and it makes a really nice blend of ease of access and good protection. So, if I'm sitting in a cafe or something like that and something interesting happens, I don't want to have to fumble with a backpack to get a camera out and ready. And what I like about the Tenba bag is that I can just quickly open this. It's got like a Velcro attachment, and I can get to my camera right away. And it's got this nice protection though on the inside, so I can customize this to fit my camera exactly. I can have the lens facing down, I can have this support the body of the DSLR, and then basically, as you saw, it's got that really strong Velcro, holds it in place for longer travel, if I'm on a plane or whatever. You can also clip these little latches to make sure it doesn't open, but again, really easy to just pop that open, grab your camera out, and you can start to shoot. So good ease of access, but again, good protection with this super strong foam on here. Really cradles the camera, supports everything in there so that both the lens and the camera is protected. And there's room on the side for some other, accessories. Like I've got my lens hood and everything in there. Even I'll sometimes put in like a disposable camera or a small film camera alongside my main DSLR for shooting. I think the only thing I would say is that, it's got enough space for the main camera and lens, but I'd like to see a little more room so I could have a second lens in there. Maybe if you have a fairly small one, you'd be able to do that, but I find with my full camera in there, it's hard to fit the extra lens. So it's really good for just that sort of protecting that one camera with an attached lens in my experience. Different depending on the size of your camera potentially, but that's been my case with it. Another thing I really like about this is that it does have a waterproof bottom, and the bottom is nice and rigid. So, if you spill your latte on it, or you sit down and put it in, a puddle or something like that, or you've got it at the beach, again, great for travel because that's going to provide some protection for the gear inside. It also comes with this weatherproof wrap. I just kept mine on the side here. I haven't actually used this in travel, but you can pop this open and then cover up the whole thing, because the bag itself is not necessarily waterproof, but when you cover it up, you can do that. I don't usually bring it out in the rain anyway, but you do have that option. Another nice thing, I think everybody now is doing a lot of editing on the go. Certainly if you're a travel blogger or a photographer, you want to be able to edit on the go. And so there's this nice laptop or tablet pouch in here. You can open that up, and inside of the compartment, you're able to put in a small laptop or tablet inside, and that allows you to store your iPad so you can do your editing. And basically the idea is it's got this little pouch on the top where you can open it up and you can access that easily. You can also pull your camera out by unzipping the top. I find it's a little clumsy to do that, but certainly to get the tablet in and out, it's easy to open that top piece or to open the back here and be able to access the pouch inside. So really, overall a great bag. I like that it has a bunch of little outer pockets here. I could put like a gray card or something like that to do white balance or travel documents, anything that I want to keep along with this. Just feels like really good, strong construction on it. Again, love the ability to put a tablet in there and store that away inside of this. And I like that it's got this over the shoulder strap, which just makes it super easy to carry.